Welcome back, students. Now let's learn about the LS of ovary. LS means longitudinal section of ovary. This is the longitudinal section of ovary. Ovary is surrounded by three layers. Outer part of the ovary is surrounded by three layers. The outermost part is visceral peritoneum. This is the visceral peritoneum. This part is visceral peritoneum. Under visceral peritoneum, a layer of cuboidal germinal epithelial cells present. This is the cuboidal germinal epithelial cells. Actually, what is germinal cells? Germinal cells are the category of cells that produce sex cells. They are the parent cells of sperm or ovum. Beneath the germinal epithelium, a layer of tunica albuginea is present. So, periodically, first visceral peritoneum, then germinal epithelium, and finally tunica albuginea. Internal part of the ovary is called as stroma. This part is called as stroma. This internal part of the ovary is called as stroma. Stroma is divided into an outer cortex and inner medulla. Stroma, again I am telling, stroma is divided into an outer cortex and inner medulla. And stroma contain different type of structure. Stroma contain mainly the follicles in different stages. These are the egg nest. Egg nest are clusters of cells that produced by the division of cuboidal germinal cells. Then egg nest converted into primary follicles. Actually, more number of cells surrounding a centrally located cells. The centrally located cell is called as oocyte. This is the oocyte. The central cell is called as oocyte and the surrounding cells are called as follicular cells. Follicles gradually matures. First primary follicles develop into secondary follicles. Secondary follicles develops into tertiary follicles. Tertiary follicles develops into matured Graafian follicles. These maturation of follicles are stimulated by FSH hormone that secreted from adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is also called as anterior lobe of pituitary gland. That is FSH. Actually, FSH is responsible for the maturation of a primary follicle into matured Graafian follicle. When follicles get matured, they need ruptures. This is the rupture of the Graafian follicle, and rupture is assisted by LH hormone. LH is also called as ICSH. LH means luteinizing hormone or ICSH, interstitial cells stimulating hormone. ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. LH is secreted from adenohypophysis also, and this is the secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte consequently converted into ovum, and the rupture of Graafian follicle and the release of secondary oocyte is called as ovulation. Actually, this event occurs from the 14th day of menstrual cycle. After ovulation, the ruptured part of Graafian follicle or the remaining part of Graafian follicle converted into an yellow color mass of endocrine tissue, that is corpus luteum. Here this is the corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. Corpus luteum is yellow in color. It is a temporary endocrine tissue. Corpus luteum develops from ruptured Graafian follicle by the action of LH. Corpus luteum secretes progesterone hormone. So, what is progesterone hormone's function? What is the role of progesterone? The chief role of progesterone